Okay, we're going to talk to you about one of the failures that happens with power sockets and power recliners. If you have a power recliner in the back that it has a little power socket like this, a lot of times people think, oh, it has a green light, it's good, it's getting enough power. Not always. This little power supply right here is a 2-pin female connection that goes in here. And one way to check to make sure everything is fine is that you can get another power supply. These are one of the ones we sell. It is a different connection. You'll see it looks like this, but this connection is still going to fit in here. And you can plug it in here and see, okay, is this what the issue is? Sorry, wrong way. You can see the green light's on. Okay, we're good here. And we can check to see if our recliner works. If it doesn't work, what the thing that we need to do is we can bypass this power socket. This power socket's gonna go right here, and it's gonna come under here and plug into the chair. You can kind of see how everything is wired in here. What you'll do is when you come under here, sorry, that's for the lights. This right here is a 2-pin connection. You'll see that's the male connection. So now we can take our power supply and we can bypass this socket and plug it in directly to see if it works. Now, if it works, it's the power socket that has the issue. Sometimes that fails and we can route it in here. This is really just for ease of use of plugging it in. There's really no need to have it. You could just leave this plugged in here. You can Velcro it back up and just run the power cord like this. This is how lots of recliners work. So that's one way to figure out if there's power socket failure. You can just bypass it, or if you just want to go direct, that's how you test it.